Fast way to find index of array in array of arrays. Suppose I have a numpy array of arrays of length 4. I want to know, is it true that R includes 1, 2, 3, 4? If it true, what index of 1, 2, 3, 4 in R? I want to find out it as fast as it possible. Suppose R contains 8,550,420 elements. I've checked several methods with timite. Just for checking without getting index, any all 1, 2, 3, 4, equals elt, for elt in R. It took 15.5 seconds in average on 10 runs on my machine. For base solution. For I, E in enumerate R column. If list E equals 1, 2, 3, 4, column. Break? It took about 5.7 seconds in average. Does exist some faster solutions, for example numpy based.
This is Jaime's idea, I just love it. Yields. The idea is to view each row of the array as a string. For example, the strings look like garbage, but they are really just the underlying data in each row viewed as bytes. You can then compare R underscore as 1d equals x to find which rows equal x. There is another way to do it, but it turns out to be not as fast. If you perform search more than one time and you don't mind to use extra memory, you can create set from array. I'm using list here, but it's almost the same code.
What is the deal? This is society.